Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today I have a birthday treat box to share with you. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. I love the little candles. That is what inspired this. It popped into my head when I saw these candles. There had to be a way that I can make a treat box out of it. You know me, I have to do that. So I used the sentiment, which is from the same bundle that has the candles, and it is the Charming Sentiments Bundle, and I'll show you that here in a second, but this says wishing you the happiest of birthdays, but that's what I'm using for this. So this is the bundle. It's the Charming Sentiments stamp set and the sentiment silhouettes, which these have silhouettes for every one of these sentiments. And it also has the dies for these candles. And it has even like little hearts, some stars, little flowers. And this looks like a little kind of like a sprig from like a 4th of July, like if you want to put it around the star. And I'm not sure what this one is for. It could be probably for the same thing, but I'm going to play with them and figure that all out later. But these are brand new. They came out May 3rd. So the new catalog is live and going. So you can order from that now. I'm also using the scalloped contours, and I am using this die right here. And this is where we're getting the little ruffle. If you have a punch that punches out the little borders, you can use that, but this fit perfectly, so I am using this for that. And it was the only little scallop that I had. So, and then the designer series paper is our Brights collection. This comes in all our color families. I am using the Coastal Cabana for this one. So I'm using the Coastal Cabana for this one. And then I filled it with these little candies. And these are the birthday Hershey's Kisses right here. And I just filled that with using our 6x8 clear bags. These bags are food safe and they are in our annual catalog as well. And I think that is everything. I did all the cutting of the candles and of this die because I wanted to kind of speed this video up a little bit, and I'm going to make the handle, I think, a little bit longer this time. We'll see. You can do it however you like, but that's what I'm going to try this time. I'm also using the In Color Baker's Twine, and I use the Tahitian Tide on the top of this bag. All right, let's go ahead and get going on this. So what you need for this is a piece of Melon Mambo, and this piece is 8 by 6. Then I'm going to use a longer piece. This is 1/2 inch by 11, and I'm going to make my handle a little bit longer. I'll probably end up cutting it, but the other one, if you'd like the shorter handle, I used the 1/2 inch by 8.5 inch. So I use the 8.5 inch side for that. For the little cake, you are going to need one piece that is 3.5 by 1 3/4, and then another piece that is 3 by 1 1/4. And for the sentiment, this is 5/8 by 4. It's approximately 5/8 by 4. And then this is the piece that I cut out from the scalloped contour dies. And then all the little pieces for our little candles are right here. I'm going to show you how to put that together first. So there are 3 pieces to this candle. This piece right here, this solid piece, will be for your white. This piece right here will be for whatever color candle you want to do. And then this is for the flame, which I used Mango Melody for this little flame part. So we are doing 3 different colors of these. And we are doing Melon Mambo, Daffodil Delight, and the Coastal Cabana, just to kind of go with the same color scheme. So what you do here first is you are going to put these pieces, I'll do this one first and then I'll speed up the rest for you so you don't have to watch me do every one of them. This goes onto your little white piece. It's really easy. So it goes on like that. You can even make it a different color if you want. And then on this top little piece here is where your little flame piece goes. So just like that, super, super easy to do. So there's one of your little candles. So I'll go ahead and I'll make the other two. Okay, so all three of our candles are made and ready to go. They're really, really easy to put together. We're going to scoot those aside. And I'm going to bring my trimmer up here and I'm going to show you how I cut these little pieces here. So what I did was there's this little scallop, there's where it's indented right here. So if you have these, you can use this. And then just cut along that section right there. So just line it up on your trimmer. And then just cut there. And then I'm going to do the other side because you need both long sides for this. You're going to end up cutting the top, but it's okay. And I love that the stitching is on here too. It's just an added little detail. All right, and now let's go ahead and we'll stamp our sentiment and we'll have everything ready. We'll put this all together. So I'm using Memento Black for the sentiment. And if you want, you can also use the little silhouette for this, but I decided to just put it on like this and just banner the end. It says, wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Okay, and then I'm just going to punch a hole using my little 1/8 inch hole punch. And then it's ready to go on our box, just like that. All right, let's get the box made. We are going to score first, and we're going to score on the 1/8 inch side. We are going to score at 3.5 and at 4.5. And then we're going to score on the 6 inch side at 1. This box is super easy, and 5. And that's it. These would be so good for a birthday party because they're really, really easy to do. So we're just going to cut inside here on these. We're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Sharpen all these score marks. All right, so I am going to use some of my Stampin' Seal Plus. And then you're just going to pull these up. Line up the tops. That's how I usually do that. Just line it up like that, and then do your other side. And if anything hangs over on the bottom, I always trim it. I hate hangovers. All right, so there is our box, and this is the front because the flaps are going back that way, and I like to use this as my front. All right, for the handle, what I do is I use tear and tape. This seems to hold it. I have boxes I have made a long time ago, and they are actually still held together with just this tear and tape. But you have to put it, use it and put enough on there. So I'm going to see how long I want this handle to go. I think I'm going to make it the whole length. So I'm going to just put some on each side here. Make sure there's enough on the ends, and it's long enough to put enough on there. And then I'm going to remove the backings. And then we're just going to put it inside here and here. And I think I'd like it a little bit taller than the other one. All right, and then just make sure you press it down real good. All right, now this is the front. So let's go ahead and lay down our pieces for our cake here. So this one goes first. You can do this with any size box. Just cut your pieces of your cake a little bit bigger. And then this is going right next to it. There's our cake. And then one of these is going to go all the way across. So you're going to use the whole thing for the bottom one. Lay that on there. And then the top one, you are going to cut just like one little piece off here and here. And then this should fit on the top. Just like that. Isn't it cute? This cake is so cute. All right. Now, one thing that I shouldn't have done, is I need to kind of lift this bottom part here now, because let's just go ahead and leave that off for a second. Leave that free and put your candles underneath first, because you want these to be right underneath the cake. So just put a little bit on the bottom there. Set your candles down before you put on that other piece. And you want to kind of have your candles all about the same level. And just center them there. I always put the middle one on first, then I can put the other two on about equal. All right, so now just press down that, because we lifted that part up, and then put your trim on here. And then just press that one down. So don't forget your candles, because the first box I did that and I had to go ahead and lift it all up and then reposition it, and it was a hassle. So don't forget to put the candles first. All right, so there is that. Let's go ahead and add with our sheer pool party ribbon our little tag here, because we have to. Another thing you could do is you can put it across the bottom here and just banner both ends. That would be cute too. Or you can just do the silhouette, cut out the silhouette and then put it on there. It would be really cute. I just love this sheer ribbon, and I thought it went really cute with it. I'm having a hard time getting it through the hole though. When all else fails, use a tool. You know, this only happens to me when I'm on video. It's just crazy how that works. So I am going to go ahead and put this on here. All right, there we go. I think the bow is the hardest part for me on this one. All right, so then just fill up your bag with whatever goodies you want to put in it, and this is how I did that one. Just put it in like that. And they're really cute, these birthday cake kisses. They're so good too, y'all. So you can get those. I got mine at Walmart. So that is it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See y'all later, everyone. Bye.